everyone, this is Lilith with Seasoned Delicious Foods, here to tell you about our Krazy Cranberry hot sauce from our Mama Blossoms line. This hot sauce is made with coconut oil, Himalayan salts, and it's got some cranberry in there, so it has a nice tart sweetness to match with the spiciness of the hot sauce. This recipe has been handed down for 4 generations, which separates us from a lot of other hot sauce companies. It has a really nice viscosity because it's made with whole ingredients, so everything that you read here on the back is actually in the bottle, which is absolutely wonderful.